This is one of the most iconic songs in all of K-pop. I don't give a shit, bro. Period. Bro, look at how she switches from like the smiley from the wig to everything, bro. She's just, what is this, bro?
La 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 la. I see the new evil. 적대적인 고난 가스품. 넌 더 뱅지나 시켜. That's my novice, is my novice.
Oh shit, they're going first. Hold up. They have to be going right to the other one after this, bro. I swear.
아, 도입부 진짜 대박인데. 잘해라.
Ooh, here we go. Bang. Oh shit, this is epic. Hold on. Hey! Yeah, Catch me. Hey, dude, I love this song, bro. Yeah, like, I want you to know, bro, I think out of everyone on this show, when it comes to facial expressions, you know, just being expressive when you're performing in front of camera, when camera's on you, or you've seen her when she's not even the focus, but she's somehow in frame, she's still got her facial expressions going, bro. I don't think anyone on this show compares, bro, and she seems like elite level K-pop world-wise, dead ass, bro. And the thing is that she's not even like, she's young still, bro. She still got time to grow and get better as a performer, as whatever she does. It's kind of crazy how good YOUNGSEO is, bro. Honestly speaking. Right at her too, with pause. It's like her expression is always so correct for like the move, the song, whatever it is. I knew this was gonna go hard from the get-go. Why pick it up? You'll never catch me. Oh no. Ooh, it's dance break time, right? Well, she got the center for it. You don't have. Hey! They cut the drop, bro. Ooh, we got a bit of tutting in there. It was tutting, right? Yeah, it's like, ooh, that was so clean. Oh, she stumbled a bit. She got right back to it though. See, she's crazy, bro. Damn, it sucks that she stumbled a bit there, man. Hey! This is one of the most iconic songs in all of K-pop. I don't give a shit, bro. Period. Bro, Look at how she switches from like the smiley, from the wig to everything, bro. She's just, what is this, bro? Like, she just seems so experienced, but she's just got here. Show the whole thing, yes, thank you. Oh, it's like she's shining all that matrix that bitch. Oh! Follow me, yes, Why pick it up? You'll never catch me, oh. Yo, it feels like this performance is so long, but it's so deserved because they're eating throughout, minus that one hiccup, dude. She stumbled, she lost her footing a little bit, but it wasn't too crazy. She picked herself up right away. I hope someone comments on that and just point it out for the negative. Dude, they're so good, bro. She's not done with the facial expression. She's just she's like, it's my ending fairy time, bro. Vote for these two.